Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at IP forwarding in an extreme switch environment. In our last video we got our main switch, our center switch, connected on a tagged interface over to our secondary switch using port 1, using a different VLAN so it could ping through. And so today we're going to be adding another switch and another VLAN, and we're going to see if we can ping through from switch 3 all the way over to switch 2. We're going to be using IP forwarding to do that. So let's just get right into it, and we will show you how this works. So we're going to create port 2 to port 2, make it nice and simple. Go there. We're going to be using very simple VLAN 2020/2020/24. Let's start up switch 3 here. Admin. Show VLAN. It's a brand new switch, defaulted, so we can't ping through. Just to show you that we can't do. It's basic, nothing here. So we need to set up our config on this switch first. So let's just do that using VLAN 20. Create VLAN 20, configure VLAN 20, set our tag, and then configure VLAN. Set our interface. Tag it. Then we need to set our IP address 2020/2020. Since this is our downward switch, I always go the next one up. So we'll just do 224. What did I mess up on? One extra. Okay. Alright, so that's set up there. And then we need to set up that interface here on this switch 1. So I'll keep this up just so you can see it. Show VLAN. We don't have we don't have VLAN 20 set up yet. So let's do that. Create VLAN 20. Configure. VLAN 2. Tag 20. Add 2 tagged. You always want to make sure you're tagging on both sides so they're equal. So if one side is tagged, always make sure the other side is tagged as well. And then configure VLAN 02 IP address 2020.20.1/24. Okay, so we have those created. Show VLAN and show VLAN. So we have the interface set up on VLAN 20 right now, so we should be able to ping from switch 3 to switch 1, 2020.20.1, and we are able to do that. 10.10.10.1, we're not able to get to there yet. So what do we need to do? Well, on our main switch, this EXOS 1, we need to set up IP forwarding on it, so that way we can ping across to a different VLAN. If you don't do this, you won't be able to ping from, say, in this case, VLAN 20, we won't be able to ping across to VLAN 10. So again, on our main switch here, which is switch 1, we're going to do an enable IP forwarding VLAN and then VLAN 020. That's one we need to forward. We want traffic to be able to get through there, and then we also want it to get to VLAN 10. So we're enabling IP forwarding on both of those interfaces. So now, if we come up here to switch 3, or this one here, this is switch 3 here, and we try to ping 10.10.10.1, we cannot get through. Oh, I forgot one step. Configure IP route 20.20.20.1. Oh, IP route default. Add default. There we go. All right. So I forgot to add in my default route in here, so that's why it wasn't able to go. Just to prove so you you believe me when I'm saying this. Disable. We'll just disable this here quick. 20. All right. So now that we have the route in there, we're going to try to ping across to make sure this is going. So can we ping through to 1.1? Oh. Gosh, dang it.